Job number J-20243083-2. This is our third video. This is being taken after doing some using an expanding blade cutter to attempt to remove any final root obstructions or any major root obstructions that are present. We have stopped the flow of water, allowed some time to pass by for the clay sewer to drain down a little bit so we can possibly see better in the areas where water is persistently pooling. We're looking at the city main sewer at 70 feet. City main sewer possibly is concrete, and then the branch is clay. You can see some loose debris sitting in the bottom of the pipe at 67 feet, water pooling behind it. Continuing on, you can see some, almost looks like at 66 feet, possibly some overpour of the concrete joint. Again, more loose debris in the bottom. As we're pulling the camera back, we can see how it plows out a little spot where it once occupied the space. Large taproot penetration at 62, some remaining taproot on the bottom. Pooling water getting deeper here at 32 or 62. Emerging back out of the water. Kind of in and out of the water through this section. Water quite deep still through this section. Debris at 33. Looks like a chunk of pipe also sitting in the pipe right around 33. Fracturing at 31. Going up a 45-degree offset to a shallower depth. Top of the offset at 22, chunk missing, a lot of fracturing and a piece of pipe missing. See a piece of pipe hanging off right there. we're at 17 feet. Going up the downspout riser. Access through our downspout connection. Going to switch to a thicker spacer on the head to see if we can elevate it out of the water. Going to push pause. Switch to the larger spacer head. Got in only to about 32 feet here. Amongst the debris we can see some chunks of the clay pipe that have let go of the wall, and we're laying in that loose debris. This larger spacer head can't get past that. At least we have a path of flow for water. And we can see, again, fracturing that we saw at 31. We can also have, a different view of that Y junction point where we came across from the front yard from video 1. And immediately upstream of this Y, camera's catching on the edge here. Another chunk of clay in the pipe that's trying to trap the camera head right at the bottom of the 45-degree offset. Going up the 45-degree offset. Again, the spot where the clay is missing there at about the 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock position at 22 feet. And just as before, our access is through the northeast downspout.